Comparison of Anova Culinary Sous Vide cooker with competitors. When exploring sous vide precision cookers, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide precision cooker stands out for its advanced features and reliable performance. To highlight its advantages, let's compare it with two competitors available on Amazon: the Michelin-Star Sous Vide cooker and the Fitu Acu Slim Sous Vide thermal immersion circulator. Michelin-Star Sous Vide cooker. Pros: smart Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote monitoring and control via a dedicated app, providing convenience for users who prefer managing their cooking through smart devices. Powerful heating element. Equipped with a 1000W motor, it efficiently heats water, reducing the time needed to reach desired temperatures. IPX7. Water resistance. Designed to withstand accidental immersion, enhancing durability and safety during operation. Cons. App dependency. Some users may find the reliance on app connectivity cumbersome, especially if they prefer manual controls. Build quality concerns. A few reviews have noted issues with the circulator's longevity and durability over extended use. Fitu Acu Slim Sous Vide thermal immersion circulator. Pros: high precision control. Offers temperature accuracy within 0.1 liter, ensuring consistent and precise cooking results. User-friendly interface. Features a full touchscreen control panel, making it straightforward to set and monitor cooking parameters. Ultra-quiet operation. Designed to operate quietly, it minimizes kitchen noise, which is beneficial for prolonged cooking sessions. Cons. Lack of smart features. Does not include Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, which might be a drawback for users seeking remote control capabilities. Limited brand recognition. As a less established brand, it may not offer the same level of customer support or community resources as more prominent brands. Anova Culinary Sous Vide precision cooker. Pros: Wi-Fi connectivity. Enables remote monitoring and control through the Anova app, allowing users to start, stop, and adjust cooking settings from their smart devices. Robust community support, backed by a large user community and extensive online resources, providing recipes, tutorials, and troubleshooting assistance. Reliable performance, known for consistent temperature control and durable construction, ensuring long-term reliability in various cooking applications. Cons. Higher price point, priced above some competitors, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Size considerations. Slightly bulkier design may require more storage space compared to more compact models. Conclusion. While the Michelin-Star and Fitu Sous Vide cookers offer notable features, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide precision cooker distinguishes itself with its combination of smart connectivity, precise temperature control, and strong community support. For those seeking a reliable and feature-rich sous vide experience, the Anova precision cooker presents an excellent choice.